Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on your Shopify footer. Let's get started. So what we can do is we can actually just scroll down until we reach your footer. So in here, this is my footer right here. So what we can do is we can click on this footer and this will open the settings for the footer. So let's scroll down until we can see the actual payment methods right here. So what you can do is you can click on this checkbox just below it and then click on this. Then as you can see, this will load and you can now see that I have PayPal right here. This is because the payment method that I have integrated on my actual Shopify store is PayPal. And if you actually integrated more like Western Union and some more payment, the third-party payment providers like DragonPay, you can already see their actual icons right here on the footer. So once you have done that, you can click on the save right here. And then once you have saved that, the changes will be saved and we will be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply like, below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.